morning, students. I am Sonam Jan here. Today I am going to teach you chapter 14, that is Baswa's farm. In this chapter we will discuss about Baswa, whose father is a farmer. See here in the chapter, Baswa is saying, my father is a farmer. We live in Belvanika village, that is in Karnataka. In the Karnataka state, Belvanika village was there. In that village, Baswa and his family lives. And in the month of July, every year my father is preparing the field to sow the onion crop. See, they have to do so many things. They have to do so many activities for preparing the field. And Baswa is helping in all these activities to his father. In the last few days, Appa has been using the khunti and iron rod, see here, to dig the soil, loosen it and make it soft. See, look at the picture. Khunti we are using for making the soil loose and soft. Fine. Now see where the Belvanika village was there. Baswa lives in Belvanika village, that is in Karnataka. See the location of Karnataka in the maps here. Now come to next. In Baswa's area, an implement called khunti is used to loosen the soil. In Baswa's area, they are using khunti for loosening the soil. See, there are so many implements that we are using for digging the soil and making it loose. See here, plow, sickle, trowel, mattock, shovel, rake. These implements we are using for digging the soil and making it loose so that plant can penetrate easily in the soil. Fine, if the plant will not penetrate easily in the soil, then it will be a fall down. Now come to next, sowing the seeds. This year also my father will sow onion seeds in the field. See here, black dots, these are the onion seeds. See, I hope you are able to see the black seeds. These are the onion seeds. Fine. The bullock will pull the kurgi and Appa will walk behind them. See, look at the picture. Appa is walking behind the bullock and kurgi is attached with the bullock. Fine. Now, sprinkling the seeds. I would also like to do this thing. See, but what the Baswa is saying? Baswa is saying, I also want to do this thing. But Appa is saying it is necessary to drop the right amount of seeds at regular distance. Fine. What the Baswa's father is saying? You have to distribute the seeds at a proper distance, at a regular distance. Otherwise, the seed will not get the proper nutrients. See, the seed will not get the proper amount of water, proper amount of sunlight, and that seeds will not grow properly. Fine. So you have to maintain a distance between the seeds. Fine. What other ways could be used to plow the field instead of animals? See here in the first picture, one farmer is using the animals for plowing the field, another farmer is using tractor for plowing the field. Now the sprouts appear. It is now 20 days since the seeds were sown. The onion plants have started to sprout. I hope you understand the meaning of sprouts. See, when the seed starts growing, small plants start coming out from the seed, that are known as sprouts. Fine. Along with onion plants, weeds have also come up. See, now look at the picture. See here, these seeds are grown. See, the sprouts came now. These small green plants start arising from the seed, that is known as sprouts. And weeds also grown along with the main crop. See, these are the weeds. These are the unwanted plants that grow along with the crop. See, it is important to remove the weeds. Otherwise, they will take up the water and nutrients from the soil which we give to our crop. Fine, you have to remove the weeds, otherwise they will consume the nutrients of our main crop that we have given to our onion plants. Fine, then our onion plant will not be healthy if the weeds will be grown, if we will not remove the weeds from the crop, from the field. Fine, so we have to remove the weeds from our field. Yes, what are the steps followed by the Baswa's father till now? First is plowing, digging the field to make the soil loose. Second one is sowing the seeds. Seeds were sown at the proper distance so that they will get the proper nutrients. Third is irrigation, providing water to the growing plants. Fourth is removing weeds. Weeds are the unwanted plants that are necessary to remove from the fields. Otherwise, they will consume the nutrients of the main crop. See, now the crop is growing plants. See, Baswa is happy to see the plants are growing. They are tall enough. The leaves have started turning yellow and drying up. This means that the onions are ready to be taken out. Fine, the onions are ready to be taken out because the leaves turns into the yellow. That means onion are ready. Fine, now you have to draw, students, you have to draw the any type of crop in your notebook. Fine, you have to draw in your notebook. Yes, now come to know next. Do you know why we have to remove, why we have to taken out the onion? Fine, see, everyone at home will have to work to take the onions out. It is important to take the onion out from the field. If we are late, then onion will rot in the ground itself. Fine, and all our hard work will be wasted. Now Baswa helps the father in the field. Do you help the elders in your family in their work? What do you help with? Yes, I help the elders in my family in their work. I help my mom to clean and arrange the things. Now the onion crop, everyone is happy at home. This time the onions are big. They are happy because the onions are big and healthy. Fine, Amma and auntie use the iligi to cut the dry leaves. See here, look at the picture. Amma and auntie are cutting the dry leaves of the onion. The ilgi is sharp. See here, look at the picture. This is the ilgi. This is too sharp. Fine, this we are using for cutting the leaves, dry leaves of the onion. Fine, you have to use this ilgi carefully, otherwise your finger will be cut. Fine, you have to use the ilgi carefully, not to cut your fingers. Fine, Appa and uncle fill the sacks with onions. Appa will take them in a truck to sell in the big market. Fine, Appa and uncle fill the sacks with the onions and Appa will take them in a truck to sell them. Fine, now question. Why is Baswa not able to attend school for some days? See, Baswa is not able to attend school for some days because he needs to help his father in the field. Yes, come to next question. Are there any fields near your house? What is grown there? Yes, in near my house there is a field. Yes, and what is grown there? I have grown potatoes in that field. Baswa's upper take the onions to the market in a truck. Think how would fruits and vegetables be taken to another place if there were no proper roads? It would be difficult. In olden days, people used to carry fruits and vegetables to such places by bullock carts, donkeys, boats, etc. Now come to next question. What kind of vehicles are used to carry fruits and vegetables. Draw a picture of anyone. Fine, you have to draw a picture in your notebook. Usually rickshaw, thela, tempo, tractor, trucks, etc. we're using to carry fruits and vegetable. Fine. Now what are the steps followed by the Baswa's father till now? First is plowing, that is digging the field to make the soil loose. Second is sowing the seeds. Seeds were sown at a proper distance. Third one is irrigation, providing water to the growing plants. Next is removing weeds. Weeds are the unwanted plants that are necessary to remove from the field. And the last one is, that is most important, harvesting, cutting of the ripe crop from the fields. See, you have to cut your crop. Fine, if you will not cut the crop, then your wastage, see, there is a wastage of your hard work. Fine, there is a wastage of your money will be there. Fine, so you have to cut the ripened crop, fine, from the field timely. See, time is most important. Fine, you have to cut your crop timely so that it will not be rotten. Fine. Thank you, students. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.